And finally, Prophet Kofi Oduro, Yebra Penyah Kwaku Manu, Avraham ben Moshe, and many others. Abechiro Madwen afa Abu Trica arrest no. Na memwati obi ansema oka no atele wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Mess was say ni demo. Obe like video no other put subscribe button, snap click notification connect latest updates number tele wadwen dia amame. Ewo comment section. So baswa. No share for enya bia here. It was on last week Thursday, 11th December 2025. And I buy say Abu Trica. Swedru billionaire. Swedru no mask. Aguna swedru. Akwa say if ya young guy we see so no na busia enye fiketua. Cars the over cars enya hwe. Just say one your life pa. You are jine ni asase we so sika de. De ni sika. Wa wi sika, ehua sika, adwale sika, asre sika. So sika no ho bi pa. E buy say FBI for every USA amanone aba beche no e wo Ghana hanomo. A Department of Justice from the office of the Attorney General North Ohio. Omo and making that post no. Omo official website. Omo chire say Abu Trica no yabeche no for engaging in fraudulent activity, that is romance scam. As was scamming some USA elderly victims to the sum of $8 million. But the nyansa kwai the AI generate nipa they scam you mu. Buba for so ajomu $8 million US choppable dollars. Enyeske kuma. Ema oba kaya issue na happen 2023 ana omo identity attract ya bisi 2025 you know. Ana omo abetuna as his arrest in there. It is causing a lot on the internet. Now Penyah Media, I am not happy, neither I am sad concerning the arrest of Abu Trica. I am not happy because I don't pray prison for anyone. I don't, because prison yapa teti wo honomo baby akwa freedom no ade nyina it is being curtailed. I don't pray for anybody. But on the other hand, I am not sad in such a way say any many bia youth ne Ghana hanom no omo ton kwasia pressure ema the other people. Mama really post to be enchero. Kojo Forex make post to be. Or should I say, if you are over 30 years and don't have 100,000 Ghana cedis chilling in your bank account, you have failed yourself and your parents. Just opportunity say, what di bro? What di inflation? 30 years. Any actually, next would need 1 billion at a bank account to ma. Abrabono, what di guku? Just say, what failure ho? What I failure, ma no papum do berry. As you say, what me bobra? What I say? O make you post with crano. Taking trigger and a reply. I can say, even in countries with a lot of opportunities, like the USA, an estimated over 50% of the people under 31 years have less than 100,000 cedis in their savings. Kojo, allow the youth. We are all trying our best. You see, these people know who. Befafa kuntina sinu suma sibia nyesika. Omunya sika ni wia, then they come to the limelight. Na oma be man kwasia post. God did it. And then and they will be given kwasia pressure bit to the youth and they say ase only ni age mate ya. As I say, what I want to be as one my bobra. Now you're quite for. You could renew your scan wordy. We don't want this guy. They preach some kind of message. Be a air bufu. Kojo Forest. Kobus or Bush and Penyah said, even in his 50s, now 1 billion a bit an account to Makone Kobus or Bush and Penyah. As even over 50 years, now 1 billion a bit an account for the can home. A bit an account to Makone Kobus. Oh. This kind of post, I don't make it. Near Chirakas, near yes, near the tongue was your pressure man for media. So it is all your youth. Now, no more age mate, no more. Now, quite as a one, but one day, one, booby. As other one, you are not putting in any effort. I say, you are not trying anything in life. I say, you are more, you've become useless to yourself. But it shouldn't be the narrative. It shouldn't be the situation. Me guys and a man focus say, Melbuno no yanko Abu Trica ho enko sia how we see bobra how to become successful and that's yanko sia how we see ademo ana. And that's should we go and learn how to be how to be arrested by FBI. Should we go and learn that? Should we go and learn that? Yanko sia na said yanko sia how to be arrested by FBI yanko sia kan ho. And now concerning this arrest, and as for Penyah Kofi Oduro, Yebra Penyah Kwaku Manu, Avraham ben Moshe, and many others, actually, my dream,
edwuma bi a obi ye obi entie edwuma bi a obi ye edwuma ni din ye de friend one one pen chese edwuma no one pen scammers chia no krom na friend scammer ni bumfu de bubefu enti me di kan abe defend me bunu no say bad system ka ho na mo boss Abraham afa ye mra be bunu no so hwe especially number 1 bebunu bi abesa te say wo gidin wo social media ye very very careful enti me sre bebunu biara when we say you start to say you just scammers no who are when you scammer no like we feel comfortable say you better say we back hustle enya sweat money universe ni design and say everything you achieve should come from your effort ade bia wan bere hu bia no eni ni munyam okura enhye we ni munyam sasa ka wafo we akronfo boys e we fo we wo ko show post on God is the reason, God is the answer. Omu yi nyankopon ye che obia sa boys yi bobra wo kurom ha e ma yen na ye adwumaden a ye de no kure nam no obefi se yen nyankopon ya ayaka obi antie especially say wo classmate bi a wonim say akwe na wa bon enemy ehe na akwe kuta best
but on am street no
no wa try the catch on God is the answer. Into maybe say yen body be pan na yaye.
God is the reason.
Sa we are we. Yeah, and sa krono ene efin e kan wa won. Wo nye ni munyem bio na we fi wiase. Wo menyina sabe haji for real. Very beautiful lady. Ye ja no bai. O ye video no post to akwa comment section.
O sa.
On nye ni munyem bio aka ne ba, aka na sefo nyina. Eni munyem bi anim. Na o post to ka kwa comment wase ho. There is nothing beautiful than sweat money. Hweminia say usika beso bicycle to bicycle wati na wo ko baby na ye kira kofa bus wati say usika ebeso car na etwem Corolla to Corolla na twi. Now there is no shortcut to success. Na bebia Ghana fo mpanyimfo medi omho ya won say yeti kro we mu young boys who have no business. Tie young boys ya omunya investment bia omum be a company bia start flaunting money buying expensive cars building mansions and the nation is there watching them. Boys in my police for the sangad was salute me boy
because of mom tips
e be so just a crane sangad wo some boys to me kutaka DV boy chile 2 years DV ya you should 2 years police in chinu.
All right, nti Abu Trica no nyame ka ho me bom pa say e be you afrim oba fasika no ko bie adwuma bie business bi na sisa boys ko gum na twa omuka na forget social media show off no social media show off obi a oye genuine money omnya genuine income nti wono usika na genuine nti ube show off a obi entime nchew memeti ai okuje tab kem tell aboy me ne ba beans okuje tab da kwakwase ai na me yo na no bi kro so kotere ba bi glass nko akwa ne de ba beans ali akufa no munyina be ye bia nko ba bia because I speak the truth menya kromfo Abu Trica no de tia omugimi anyi no enti de tia mama mu ani akufa no mo ne be fa na anyi ni say e wo se unya charges e to nipa so me number 1 mi nkodi obi abada number 2 me ne obia me ne gain makwa ko huna tia scam no mo use no dia black
but boys are sweating
too much.
Kofi boys are sweating
Too much.
it was kebu oma me bra ye che Nigeria guy no Poppy ana. Yes. Sename ye fraud wa kasata mne dam de betu me hofo. Say me show up, say ye car, say ye fee. Say ye ska. Because ye wadebo omkra ne kasa bra be you ano ho ano a ne din ebe odin.
Yes.
Say obet me yi ano. Boys ni so sika peminim say nipa beji o matum so mo na wo so. Ana say omo na wo sika. Ebasa ye watitu ni abrempon bi okrom ye politicians so ko share politician bi a sa no ma no onso so a o hwa ye ba be fawo because ekrobi te se China America before bi betima show sika wa America no titu aye wo ma in terms omo ese boxers musicians obi ni me adwuma wa ye bi kwa sa dan kokobo show week no and what we as say the sky day abanche and no cry no life in danger odi agokora bit ma settle am obi cry ho cry e bit ma putu because Roberts bit my about fear anytime be as somebody says sky day. I will fear. Now Ghana and I acquire peaceful cry a mucho. Kofi, you fraud. So we fraud boys. You fraud on Kokra force.
Fraud men.
Men.
Grandfathers.
Grandfathers. Kofi. Omudi ebia me can say. You were so for crab be or fraud.
Okay.
Men Canada. You were a soft be our mere day. Or fraud. No. Or they are sorry at the enemy and two who fraud no actually.
Okay.
You were sikaphobia or fraud. Will be a company. Entino company no anymore and afford no actually. But some paying for no so. Omo first can be good social media so. Omo kwa de ye ju omo tum so mo sika. But omo fesika ti nkoma me no di na me kasa wa adwenem na me kasa kire badwemba. Kofi omo fesika megu kan mu enshow kire amansan. Omo fesika ngu mpaso enshow kire amansan. Sese ye enshow bibia ye sika. But over na boy e bia boy bi wo ma. Ye fa abudi ne nye example enye quotation. Cause abudi na wo ha na yetimi kasa ba ko bi. What's a missing penasem? Yes. So Nelson, your boys in be your home. A human near Nimu. Uti Nkomono. A human be a day, and near Nimu. They be an what you go. Since you na yiri na fana. And I'm supposed be any hunting, see be any hunting, na day, na be front, na fan. Now see, I'm a say if Fafa boys in case a boys in Bokan come cool. We are make us a better Abu Trica. Kofi will be on also fraud that still won't tune hopeful. Sani panel ebe so sikane. Asa be show. And to me, be say, oh, mommy, fraud, and to me from who see kakra. Show up on the show at the way. Nami and Patanso near Chiwa, Kofi wouldn't say about it, maybe a band back critical, could be to on start to two properties so. Because he say be a scan one per conditioner or fire. Where you say a butcher case in Sana with the maternity, they say, I see what might be. Scabi almost be 800 million, Kobe, a dozen. $8 Asem. But I bluff on him said to be a woman or con the pension, Skaka crowd. So, maybe I would first care one who you know. I'll cry to me report to America.
Okay.
Yes. No matter say from America, basic Ghana. So, a more I so say a one. No, Moshe, Shishemu. So what I say, no man follow account to a fast cano. Aha, baby, or the fire no. Near Kuhudin cry was near Tracy said, the narco chase, and yet, maybe I may be crying was no coffee quatting within a was one. Near Tracy about a foul coffee quatting. Your foul coffee quatting out the ever call the member meha. Near Baba family so. To mess boys are more fraud to say. Pressure and they do be out come out as a comfort. Mama come and entertain. Mama common entertain. Obi a fraud more than 30-40 years, Kofi. A particular choice where a fraud okra wunye nya de abedi atom because on show sika wanya no normal to fraud and fraud no Kofi show up ana.
Nipa no oze brenya o ma hasela nti basi obozo mu bia mu say eh.
Obre but me dey me echi obi a no kwasem Kofi because I am dey na me bo anya me dey sa. Anya me dey sa still na no kwa no mo so be fire no mako. Yeah. I'm fire normal call. Kofi bin Canada o. I'm afraid ya che. Na hwe Burkina na yade ade. Ghana ye 2 gold wa busa say percentage say na Ghana yenya. O ye 2 Ghana gold. Na nansen o muti gold board wa. President Mahama ba nansen. Ana ma ye gold board na ye de FN say ya koda anu a. Adu jenfion. Same akoda anu a. Trust me. Kofi timbe fire gold kwa this time and be say gold kwa to Ghana kwa na percentage Ghana ye say Ghana habo ye percentage say ne wom on the abroad normal fraud ya che ampa zamba na make you still krom da so fraud we bibi ni kura wo ndo akwaje be say wo kura no say che say we na fire say be ya de bia ye be nko ama wo sometimes na na de bia boys nso ye o magin ho adwuma na Kofi yemfo so de na kakra bi o so ji kakra wo mo nsemu a say banker to banker pane en wo pane until times na na dwe bia so de kwa adwene mu a bra ye bre wa Africa ni na fa ye nko mo a swat ase ti nyame hu ye mobo no mo ye ho ban na but message so ye boy na saa bibi na wo ya no kwasem me ntu fu say ya na say but saa show up pepepe no emfa hwema eno mfa sika foforo bi anya dai emma ana mwana mutu mamana
Yes.
oh and the social media nti no ye pe wa ye mro boys no mwana sebi akwase obi akokum nipa no okuta nipa ne ti se na koku nipa mo hwe ne ti abane ba bechewa wa na mo evidence sika na mu show no app no so bebrebe nya evidence amode ma wo mo sisi yakacho se kawe efiewe sikawe wunya ne he kire prove adwuma wo ye ya anse na wunya sa sikawe ya untumi nkire entiane na mo di social media etemoto mo temo hoto.
They can put people on a plane, go to another country, and arrest people who have purported stuff against the American people and take them back to their country. We are here. We can't even bring criminals. Law court have already. Court to say I'm finding cartoons and or American. How far? Yukufua, yes. My boy Juma. You were part of even the cyber crime arrest here, workers worker. My idea. When are Ghana's criminals coming home to go and serve jail terms at Ensawem? When are they coming? Isn't it an indictment to the sovereignty of this nation that other nationals can come here and see criminals operating in our system and our people can see it? Our people can see. Our people can see. Jimmy, this boy took almost $8 million. And I told the day, I said, you know, and romance, they told that the Jesus came from Kokura, and them Ramon Kokura, and them Ramon at the America, who said, Wa Kokura, why ye Jumenya Sika, Ekakrano, Opa Baba, wa run. Now the 1 million now. Omobechi. Akokura woni play. Akokura woni. The Bible made a submission in Proverbs. No, it is Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verse 13. Put it that Akokura no one some more Bible. King James. It is better to be poor and a wise child than to be a foolish king who will no more be admonished. You turn it into my language. Yeah. The Bible says, "Fenyinam abranti we ninyansafo echen akokora okewe as akokora kwasia enkokora ne yewo mu na ye nyansafo enkokora ne ye won kwasiafo wo mu ye won kokora nkwasiafo san kokora no na atodan ama Legon girls cars ama Legon girls UCC girls Central University girls san enkokora nkwasiafo are here. Enkokurankwasiafo bronyai enkokurankwasiafo no omo club woman na ya kohifo and na omo club nim wait to be sani ni where we akokura o where we also me we in the last week also me dey me we in the last year 2 people woman yankoma womo obo
But actually why be amame I will comment section. I Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!